Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. The pandemic has altered our views on regular life or a normal day. So we've been compelled to leave our comfort zones and explore new ways of life. The same goes for our decades-old working patterns. Remote working is now the new norm. At the beginning, as more and more countries declared lockdown, the businesses had to quickly come up with an alternative to keep their engines running. While the tech companies have had a smoother transition from on-site to remote working, it's not necessarily been as easy for many other industries. Twitter and Square have permitted their employees to work from home permanently, and companies like Facebook and Google are letting their employees work from home until the end of this year. While millennials have had an easier time adapting to the whole work from home concept, it's not been so easy for everyone. If you feel like you've lost the connection with your colleagues or your company, or if your performance worries you, the following are some tools that will definitely make your day in life better. We'll discuss tools that will help you stay connected with your colleagues and clients, optimize the data needs in your home, maintain project management organization, team management, and customer interaction. Firstly, before we get into all the technological tools, we just want to say is the first thing you should do is probably invest in a good setup, because you can't start to compare a technology-enabled modern office to your home. The reason why people are ready to work when they step into an office is the environment. So it's a good idea to have a dedicated corner or room in your home and give it an office look and feel. Invest in a good table and a comfy office chair. Decide if you're more comfortable working on a laptop or a widescreen computer, and other tools like a wireless mouse, Bluetooth, keyboard, webcam, noise-canceling headphones, smart speaker, and multifunctional printer can really make all the difference when you have to work there every single day. So now let's look into staying connected. Now there's an array of platforms that enable flawless connections so you can stay in touch with your clients as well as your teammates. On platforms, for example, like Zoom, GoToMeeting, there's Cisco's WebEx, Google Meet, or Skype. With chat tools like Hangout, Shanty, Slack, and Workplace by Facebook, you don't really need to feel isolated. You can collaborate on tasks with options like Asana, Smartsheet, and Trello. Office 365 also offers conferencing and a chat app as well as other collaboration tools. Now let's look into optimizing your connection. An adaptive Wi-Fi uses artificial intelligence to understand the data needs in your home and devices. It then allocates the required bandwidth. Not only does it make sure that all of your devices get the Wi-Fi that they need, it ensures the most used devices get the most secure and powerful service. Project management platforms can offer detailed data and insights into your business to enable better management of resources. For example, Tableau, Microsoft Power Business Intelligence, and other business intelligence tools offer highly visualized data to help you easily spot trends, gain insights, and act on them quickly. This will encourage managers and teams to regularly update projects, not only guarantee better project management, but it'll also eliminate unnecessary meetings. Productivity and engagement concerns are common when everyone is working from home. Managers can have some visibility with apps such as Microsoft Teams. You can track attendance and billable hours with Deputy and T-Sheets apps. The app Timely will automatically track each person's time spent in apps, documents, meetings, emails, etc., etc. Customer interaction. With no personal interaction, it's more important than ever to have your brand recollection with your audience. Keep your customers informed with email newsletters on MailChimp and Campaign Monitor. Apps like Freshdesk and Zendesk maximize customer retention by improving phone, online, and other channel services and support. CRM platforms like Salesforce and Insightly are now being used as customer marketing platforms too, with advanced tools like sales staff management, analytics to help identify sales opportunities, and more. As working from home becomes more and more important, using technology to your benefit can make the transition from office to home smooth and easy. So there you have it. We've shared tips and tricks that can be utilized by both employers and employees for improving your remote work experience, including the importance of a good setup, and using technology to stay connected, adapting and optimizing your Wi-Fi, organize project management, maintain team management, and interact with customers. What has your remote working experience been like? Do you use any other tools that we haven't mentioned in this video? Please let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.